Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Alight motion on PC. So if this video helps, like and subscribe. It will support the channel in case you motivate to do videos just like this. So let's get right started. So first of all, open up your computer obviously, and now let's go to Microsoft Store. And in some regions it has it and some not, but don't worry, I'm going to show you a different method also. So just type in Alight motion and click on search. And if you find it, you can download it here. But for now, I can't find it. So what you need to do is just click on Google and search for Alight motion and go to the website alightmotion.com. And you can find it here. And if you still can't find it, what you need to do is download BlueStacks. This is basically an emulator where you can download Android apps. So I hope this video helped you. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.